This is Sheikh Muhammad Roshan Muhammad Maluchana, and today I'm going to discuss about Udemy courses. Just go to Engineering and click on the first one and click on the Udemy course certification courses, guys. This week and today is 8th July, guys. You can observe here. And the day starts with CSS and JavaScript. I enrolled many of these courses, guys. If anyone want to learn these JavaScript or CSS, just this course for beginners, guys. Just go through this. This is about 3 hours of demanded course. Okay, just go through this, guys. I'm going to tell you how to enroll. Just click on enroll to start the course and start the course, guys. And click on start.
In the last
Complete all these videos, guys. About 3 hours of videos and 72 lectures. And if you want, after that you are going to get certificate 72 of 72 complete. Okay, and if you want to add to favorite, just go to here and click on favorite this course. And to have an overview of this course, just go to description, guys, where you can have an overview of this course. And the author is UI Excel trainer. This is somewhat an institute like that. Okay, UI Excel trainer training. Okay, and let's go to another one, Bootstrap and jQuery. This is about CSC. I think, yeah, this is about CSC, guys. This is about 4 hours of video. Basic computer skills. What you need is basic computer skills. This is about programming language, guys. Just go and here also the same author, guys. Just go through this and learn. Okay. And next course is how the internet works and web development process. Okay. As you can see, guys, there is here also the same author, and required is basic computer skills, and description is same thing, guys. Who is this for aspiring web developer? This is about web developing, guys. You can learn HTTP, HTTPS, mail delivery, LAN, WAN, network basics, and firewall. This is about CSC background like that. And next one is PHP and MySQL certificate course for beginners. This is about CSC courses, guys. I think so. This is about Java basic script or different language. NGI, NX, Apache, SSL encryption certification course. Here also the same author, and he is referring as these courses, guys. Just go through this. JavaScript and jQuery certification course for beginners. This is also similar to first one, guys. Just go through this, and the same author. HTML and CSS basic certification, and these are the same. JavaScript, Bootstrap, and HTTP certification for beginners, and the same author in same one. Dinner time conversation, Bitcoin, blockchain. This is about stock market or relating to Bitcoins, guys. Just go through this. There's no prerequisite for course, prerequisites for course. Okay, and go through this. On Bingley, entrepreneur education, former finance profession. This is about MBA students. This is about mostly stock market, guys. Just go through this. Those who want to be or in stock market. And this is about 45 minutes of video in demand. Fundamentals D. This is about Photoshop, and the language is Spanish or German. D means almost German, guys. Deutsch. Introduction to domain names and web hosting. Quick guidance. Okay. This also about same author, and domain names and web hosting. This is about web developing, guys. As I already enrolled in June 11, almost a month. And this also set up your virtual web server using Linode or DigitalOcean. This also same author guys and same courses like that. English grammar, tense and structure, the ultimate course. They're just repeating guys. I just enrolled this one June 24th, and this about English grammar guys. Those who want to learn English grammar or for the basics, just go through this. Content making strategy and techniques, beginner to expert. Okay, you can make strategies and techniques means is about no, it's not about stock market guys, but this is about enhancing your skills, basic understanding of English. That's a need guys. Basic understanding. If you are good at English or just have a basics about English guys, you can load quickly here, and description also showing the same thing. Be a pro, industrial panel design complete guide with CATIA. Those who are mechanical students, this is the best course I could recommend to you. This is about 1 hour 50 and means almost 2 hours of 22 lectures guys. This is about CATIA guys. Just go through this. Web development fundamentals, HTML layer and CSS for beginners. This is also similar course. The author is Anshul Yadav. Ultimate AWS. This is about Amazon Web Service certification course, guys. This is about practice exam. Yeah, not about practice exam, but to learn the Amazon basics. This is about 10 hours of courses, guys. This would want to get a job in Amazon. Just go through this. Introduction to Forex. Learn to trade Forex by yourself. Okay, this is about Forex trading, guys. Forex trading. Okay, this is about Forex trading. Author is S.C. Macron. I'm gonna enroll this one. This is pretty much useful for me. I had seen many stock market courses and many things, but I haven't seen civil courses, guys, and mechanic courses also as much as in compared to CSC background courses. Okay, software term. Here is the description. Who is this course for? You having a passion about finance, who never traded and are interested to start. Okay, already started, guys. I just started 2 years back itself. This is about intro to Adobe Color, Spark, Dash, and Photoshop Express. This is about web designing. Expect guys. Just want to go through this. Those who want to create web development like that. Mastering Engel Scrum workshop. Engel. What does it mean? Should have a minimum 2 years of work minimum experience. Okay, minimum. This is about a laptop PC should know the basics of software development life cycle. A good pair of headphones. What does it mean? Okay, this is about industrial guys. Those who are in already in the industry, doing a project management experience, guys. Just go through this. Python 3 for beginners. Yeah, this is about Python, guys. And these were the authors: Stephen McDonald, Alex Shepard, and one more. No, these two. 2020 YouTube hack. Pay for engagement, not only clicks. Okay. This is also interesting, guys. Just go through this. Those who want to enhance your YouTube. Adobe Premiere for video editing. And this is Adobe Premiere, guys. Those who want to learn video editing like that, you just go through this Adobe Premiere. And Brad Newton is the author for that. Power BI and Business Intelligence D0A100. This is a This is not our language, but this is our European language. Complete punctuation course, English, writing, grammar. Okay. TJ Walker. Yeah, I had enrolled many of these courses and just completed many of these courses, guys. And he is the best author, I think so. 30 hours of video in demand, guys. Just go to English, writing, grammar, punctuations course. Okay, punctuations, tense, everything is there, guys. Those who want to learn English grammar, just go through this. Complete media training, master class, confidence on camera. Okay, this is about TV anchoring, like that. Those who want to be an anchor, just go through this. Complete presentation skills, masterclass for every occasion. Nice. This is about confidence on your things, guys. A willingness to practice presentation skills on camera. Okay. Video conference, Zoom, Skype, WebEx, tech presentation skills. Okay. This is about presentation skills on computer, guys. 27 hours of lecture, 27 hours and 559 lectures, guys. And go through this. And who is the author for this? Author कोई भी नहीं. TJ Walker, guys. Yeah, he is the author. Paint an easy hand-tied house with the watercolors. Okay, this is about painting. Just want to learn painting, just this is about 37 minutes. Okay. CSS3 and Bootstrap for absolute beginners, 4 courses in one. Nice. OBS Studio, ultimate live streaming guide to OBS Studio. Wave Accounting 2020. No requirements, nothing. These are about MBA students. Instagram marketing. These are about marketing, guys. Network marketing. Animal, Zoom of planet. Zoom of zoology of animal. Those who are in okay, this also more interesting. Public speaking. Start strong and engage any audience. This is about attracting audience. He is Antoine Martin. He is the author for this. This is a fast course for him. And just go through this. This is about 54 minutes, guys. Shopee guide, the complete Shopee store creation course. Okay, and that's it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do like, subscribe my channel. This is Sheikh Mohammed signing off. Bye bye.